Hi everyone, this is I was putting together my last journal for Tina. I like to do collage. I've always done glue books and collage, and I've kept these. This is my own journal that I keep for glue books and stuff. I just like sticking odd bits in and sticking everything together. I was doing it and I thought, I wonder if I could actually replicate it in a kit. So I've given it a go, and this is what I've come up with. This is 6 pages, a couple of big pages of tags and a lined back page. So if I just come in a touch and you can see them. So we have first page. They are all basically what I do in my glue books or my collages when I'm doing bags and stuff in my journals. So that's number 1. This one is number 2. So, loads of flowers, that's what I like. Butterflies, and gone with a sort of greeny, pinky, predominantly green, I would say. That's page 2. That one's page 3. So layering, it's just loads and loads of layers. Now this is something that I actually enjoy, tearing strips of paper up, especially when I'm feeling a little frustrated, but I've actually done it onto a page, so you can just print it out and away you go. And of course I love butterflies and dragonflies, and that is page 5. So same again, so a couple of ferns on either side and a couple of dragonflies. And then we have page 6, which is same thing. There are all variations on the theme, which is they're all layered, and it's like I say, I thought, oh, I'll give this a go, and I am actually really pleased with them. Now that's the backing page. So just a couple, there are very faint lines on there. Now I've printed these off my normal pure white paper, and they've come up really nice. I'm really pleased with them. And that's a page of large tags and another page of large tags. I have got the list in my Etsy shop, and I will put the list in below. Well, thank you very much for watching. I will be doing a journal with them in the next week or so, and so we'll see how we get on. So, speak to you all later. Bye.